Welcome to DWBI Adda channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Dear viewers, welcome back to a new video tutorial on Weka. This time we are going to focus on a new topic, missing value analysis. In this video, we are going to discuss about missing values and their treatment in data pre-processing phase. So why wait? Let's start. In this presentation, we will start with interpretation of missing data. Then follow the reasons and effect of missing values in data analysis. Finally, finish the session with different treatment options. We want to start this section with a simple definition. Missing data means incomplete data. Whatever the reasons are is incomplete. In statistics, missing values occur when no data values are stored for the variable in an observation. In Weka, missing values are represented by blank or dashes. In some cases, negative values can be represented as missing value when the fields are for positive numeric data. Let's focus on this Weka dataset. Missing values are represented by blank space. So in our data analysis, we have to consider only the blank spaces. In this section, we are going to explain the reasons of missing values. Suppose we are filling up a form and forget or refuse or fail to answer certain questions. So these data fields will be blank. There are many other reasons like sensor failure or loss of data transfer. In case of hot transactions, due to internet failure, we may get missing values. And finally, some impossible values can be generated from wrong mathematical calculations and we replace them by missing values. Now going to the next section. This section is especially for problems related to missing data. It is always hard to predict when missing values are harmful. Sometimes they may affect the predictions or sometimes not. In our dataset, each variable may contain a small number of missing responses, but in combination they would be numerous. Finally, data analysis might run, but the results may not be statistically significant because of missing data. Now, missing value treatment. We cannot treat all missing values using same method. We are going to explain different methods one by one. First one is replace with constant. Suppose one of our nominal data columns contain missing values. This attribute has only two classes and class 1 contains 90% of the data. So in this specific scenario, we can replace the missing values by the constant value of class 1. Second one is mean median imputation. This is the best choice for numeric data columns. Finally, list-wise removal. This is the worst choice, but if we fail to use first two methods, this is the best option. Suppose in a nominal data column, we have three attributes and they are in uniform distribution. So we cannot use first method or second method. So we will go for removal option. Now we are going to Weka and demonstrate all these methods. We are already aware of the Weka environment. We will go to Explorer. Now we will open a file for data analysis. We will go to Weka data and we choose Heart Risk Study dataset. This dataset contains 4240 instances of 16 attributes. We are going to inspect all of them one by one. First one is male and it does not contain any missing data. We can skip the age also. Now education. It contains 2% missing values. Data of this attribute are distributed in 4 classes and none of them has extreme majority. So we cannot replace missing value by constant or mean. We will go for discard option. We will choose the filter remove with values. It is available in filters, unsupervised, then instance. Now remove with values. Let's select this option. The attribute index will be 3. we will select true for match missing values and then press OK. Now we will apply this filter. Let's return to the education. So we have successfully removed the missing values from education attribute. Now move to current smoker. It has 0 missing data, then 6 per day. It contains 1% missing values. The first value is 0 and it is the extreme majority. So we can use the filter replace missing with user constant filter. It is available in unsupervised attribute, then replace missing with user constant. Let's select this filter. The attribute index will be 5. We will replace missing values by 0. We can set any constant in this position. Now OK. So before applying the filter, we have 2171 values in 0. Let's apply this. Now we will return to 6 per day. Now in 0 we have 2198. So we have successfully used the filter on 6 per day attribute. Now BP Meds. It has missing data of around 1% and the majority is on 0. So we will use the same filter, only instead of attributes 5, we will set 6, then OK and apply. So we have successfully applied the filter on BP Meds. Now move to the next one. No missing data, no missing data. In diabetes, no missing data. Let's focus on TOTCALL. It contains numeric data. So our option is replace missing values filter. Let's go to next one. Is BP, DiBP. They don't have any missing data. Now BMI, it contains missing data and the data type is numeric. Now heart rate, it's also numeric type of data, and glucose, it also contains numeric data. So we will apply replace missing values filter on TOTCALL, BMI, heart rate and glucose. Now we will go to filter, unsupervised, then attribute, and we will choose replace missing values. It does not have any option to select any specific attribute. So we are applying this for all the remaining missing data. Let's select OK and apply. So let's check again from the first one. No missing data, no missing values. So our data set is free from missing values. So we have successfully treated the missing values using different methods. That's all for today. See you in the next tutorials.